Hii ni kazi nzuri, you've done a very good job. This I assume this is a switch and this is a double socket. And the same thing you've done in this other side. My biggest assumption again, I know you will loop all these switches to the ceiling lights, and at the same time you have an intermediate switch on that side. So whatever I switch here on this side, I can still switch the same thing on this side. That means I'm switching off downlighters, wall brackets, and any other light. So I'm assuming either you're having a 2-gun or a 3-gun operated both on this side, that side, and on the other side. I can see around whatever here bracket, and I'm assuming this is a side table lamp, meaning this lamp is in the wrong place. You need to move it from here to somewhere here so that when you're sleeping there, you switch it on from this point and the light is just slightly on top of your bed. So loop another pipe from here to here and remove this one here. And do the same on that side and the same in other bedrooms. I'm assuming these are the brackets on the lower side. These are the sockets on the lower side, and this is the socket on top of the TV unit. I'm assuming this is the pipe that feeds HDMI, and all the speaker wires are coming through here. So if that is the case, it means that our TV is gonna be somewhere around this particular point. If that is the case, then I'm assuming this is a speaker, and or this is a speaker and this is a speaker, meaning you put them in the wrong places. So this is supposed to be on the side of the TV. So you need to move this one to the side of the TV and this one to the side of the TV. If not, then yeah, I think this is a speaker and this is a speaker. So they need to be on the side. When I mount a TV here, it is on its side and then looped to the receiver on the lower side. So you need to pipe these ones again to the side of the TV, assuming the TV is 55 inch here or 65 inch. Just put it on the side. So if the TV height is 900, you put it at the center of the TV, which is 450. So this side and this side, and not on the lower side, because I'm assuming the TV comes and covers here. If this is the feeder for the pipes for HDMI and optical cable and VGA, then it's fine. But they need to come from here to the console direct, not here. It's a bit confusing. I'm not understanding, but you will know what you've done. But I also need you to provide the cable for the speakers on the side of the TV, channeled all the way to the receiver and the TV unit. So that is it. Again, the electricians, this is the ESP of the in-law suite. So on the right we have the his, and then on the left we have the hers. And here we agreed very well this is gonna be the dressing area. So we need a light here, then a mirror, then a counter. So the dressing unit comes here. So the mirror comes right here. So if you have to put a light here, and it's controlled on the side. And I can see we have even marked. So these units on this side, either if it's the client who has already changed this thing, you will let me know that it should go on that side. Just have a small mirror here, so that when you're seated here, you can actually connect on this side. Let's make sure all this. We are going to have a sink here. Let's have the valves under here for controlling the water. And if you really want to have a valve, maybe like this, we have a cabinet here. We can put that valve under the cabinet so we can control from here instead of on top. Because once we have done the plaster and we do the tiles, these things will not look so neat on top of the tiles. So let's change all that for all the bedrooms. So if you want to do it, maybe do it in the ceiling, or maybe control it from one particular point. But I would rather, if I have a problem here, I just have an angle, two angle valves here, I control whatever that happens here. If I have a problem with the shower, we have a mixer here and it can control the water, so normally this doesn't have a problem. We have a toilet here. The toilet can have its own valve here, so that if there is any problem, you just stop it from there. If there is a problem there, you stop it from there. If there is a problem there, you stop it from there, rather than having those things there. But if necessity, I know from your point of view, you really want them. Let's put them in the ceiling, because we'll have what we call ceiling trap door, so we can easily go up and control our waters from that way, rather than having it on the surface of the tiles. So let's do that. So this is okay, because I can see this is a point for the sink, this is a point for the shower, that is fine. Point for the toilet is fine, and that one is for the jacuzzi. I only need, or the electrician has put the point, it's fine. So let's have a flow trap there, and we have a flow trap on that side, and one flow trap on this other side. So that flow trap on the, I can see that there already. So for the electrician, let's not forget about the side speakers and the main speaker, with the center speaker in the middle, the channel other cables to the top. Still the same concept in the master, same concept in the lounge, and same concept in the in-law suites. Let's do the same. Then again, when you come to all the bedrooms, I can see this point. I'm assuming this is a light. So let's push this light in the middle of the socket off here, so that when I'm sleeping, I have just a spotlight that I can turn, and my partner on the other side will do the same. Let's do all that in all the bedrooms.